पांयांचेर येवपी गांठींचेर उपचार घेवपा खातीर आतां तुमकां गोंया भायर वचपाची गरज पडची ना. ह्या दुयेंसाचेर गोंयांतूच उपचार घेवप शक्य आसा. गोंय वैजकी हॉस्पिटलांत ह्या गांठींचेर लेझरा वरवीं आतां उपचार जातले. जीएमसीचे डीन दोतोर शिवानंद बांदेकर हाणें सांगलें.
पांयावेल्या गांठींचेर आतां गोंयकारांक गोंयानूच उपचार घेवप शक्य जातले. ह्या दुयेंसाचेर उपचार करपा खातीर जीएमसीन हायटेक यंत्रणा हाडल्या, अशी माहिती जीएमसीचे डीन दोतोर शिवानंद बांदेकर हांणी दिली. महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार पांयार गांठी आशिल्ल्या 10 दुयेंतींचेर एका दिसाक उपचार करप शक्य आसा खंय.
This press briefing is to announce a new facility which is a cutting edge technology in the treatment of varicose veins, which has been started in Goa Medical College. And with me I have Dr. Pawan Kumar, who is an expert interventional radiologist. So the incidence of varicose veins in state of Goa is almost 20 to 25%. We can average do 10 patients, but what happens, we have a separate now cath lab for only peripheral vascular disease. This is the only medical college which has a separate cath lab for other vascular diseases. So there are some life-threatening diseases called as aneurysms. So if we do them, that cath lab remains busy. That's why he is saying that he has done 4 because other cases were more emergency. But if there are no emergencies hard pressing on that day, he can easily do 10 patients per day.
गोंयान कोरोनाच्या KP1चे 4 जाल्यार KP2चे 12 दुयेंती मेळिल्ले. सगळे दुयेंती बरे जावन घरा गेल्यात. ताका लागून कोविडाच्या नव्या व्हेरियंटा विशीं भिवपाची गरज ना, अशें दोतोर धवल फातर्पेकार हांणी सांगलें.
30 samples which were sequenced at Azilo Hospital under the department under the DHS, that is the North Goa District Hospital. 30 samples, out of which 1 sample was found to be KP1 positive and 11 samples were to be found of KP2 positive. Now this KP1 sample is prevalent all over India, the recent outbreak, but the virulence of this KP1 is low. The transmissibility is similar because it's an Omicron variant, so the transmissibility is same as the Omicron type, but the virulence is lower than the predecessor, that is the Delta variant. It's much more less as compared to the Omicron variant, which was in the 3rd phase of the COVID pandemic. So incidental finding,
Not focused finding.
focus finding, and they're just for 1.5 months, so period also is a very big period.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.